वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
O Lord Ganesha, you have a long trunk. You have a large body possessing brilliance of billions of suns. Please remove all the obstacles to my work at all times. A very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. We celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi on the 22nd of August 2020. It's an annual festival where we bring home clay Ganesha models home, and once installed, we offer daily praise to the deity, not just at home but also in the public puja pandals. After paying reverence for 2 to 11 days to the deity is immersed into the water. It could be a river, pond, lake or sea, and that's accompanied with lots of dance, music, songs, followed by puja and aarti. The immersion of the idol into the water is symbolic of our farewell and respect to the deity. It is advisable to bring home clay models which are organic in nature. This way we not only pay respect to the deity but also take care of our environment.
जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति. जय देव जय देव. सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अपने ही मन का, सुंदर लाल विराज सुत गौरी शिव का. हाथ में है गुड़ लड्डू प्रभु गजानन के, महिमा कहूँ तो कैसे झुकाऊं सिर पद में. जय देव जय देव. गणेशा तेरा रूप निराला, कोटि सूर्य का है तुझ में उजाला. लंबोदर पीतांबर तेरा क्या कहना, सरल सुंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना. जय देव जय देव. सिंदूर रंजित हर रंग सुंदर, मोतियन का माला चमके गले पर. हर गुण संपन्न हो गौरी नंदन, तुझको भाए कुमकुम केसर चंदन. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री.
I hope you enjoyed the dance. I'm learning dance, so I thought of sharing some moves with you. Now I will share with you the spiritual importance of Lord Ganesha. The big head of Lord Ganesha is symbolic of divine wisdom. Lord Shiva chopped the head of his son and replaced it with the head of knowledge and wisdom. It means we must identify people by virtue of their knowledge and understanding, their wisdom, rather than just going by their appearance. The soft trunk of Lord Ganesha is symbolic of the wise mind, a mind which evaluates before it takes a decision, because that mind understands that it will have an impact on the future as well. Next is the broken tooth of Lord Ganesha. One tooth is broken. That is again symbolic of being soul conscious rather than body conscious. The message from the Lord is that the Lord does not discriminate between big or small, tall or short, dark or fair, rich or poor. In the eyes of the God, all are souls. So we must also not discriminate amongst people. Next, Lord Ganesha also has a big stomach. That big stomach is symbolic of the concept of acceptance, the power of acceptance. What it says is that whenever we see something, we meet people, we come across events, we must have the wisdom to accept it. You must not try and change the people around, rather than accept them as they are. And if there is a scope for improvement, that must happen. But first, that person should be accepted the way he or she is. Next is Lord Ganesha also has an axe in his one hand. That axe is symbolic of cutting all the bad karmas of our life, and that axe should be used by us symbolically round the day. It means now we have the knowledge and wisdom, and that we must use this axe, this knowledge, to eliminate the bad karmas, the bad actions. And now we must take all the decisions based only on knowledge and wisdom. On the other hand of Lord Ganesha, we see a modak. With a lot of hard work, modak is prepared. Similarly, in life, with a lot of hard work and commitment, we achieve success. Modak is symbolic of humility or humbleness. It means that if we achieve success, we must consider it to be the grace of God. Lord Ganesha does not eat his modak. Similarly, we must not feel proudly about our achievements, and then only our soul power will improve. In the sixth hand of Lord Ganesha, we see a lotus flower. Lotus flower grows in muddy and dirty water, yet it maintains its cleanliness, its purity. Lotus is symbolic of purity in our lives. It means living in this world, we must lead a life of wisdom.
In the idol of Lord Ganesha, you will also observe that one leg is placed upward and the other leg is placed downward, and only the toe is touching the ground. This is again symbolic of being soul consciousness, that you're living in this world, but you're living with wisdom. In one of the hands of Lord Ganesha, we see a Trishul. Trishul is symbolic of the past, present and future. It signifies that in case some event has happened in the present, maybe it has its roots in the past. Now we have the wisdom and the knowledge to take an appropriate decision in the present. And we also know that it may have a consequence in the future. Lord Ganesha sits on a mouse. Mouse is symbolic of destruction. It's also symbolic of bad behavior, misconduct, bad actions, thoughts like ego, lust, anger, greed, and so on. So what it signifies is that we must try to reduce them and as much possible eliminate them from our lives. This way we will uplift our soul power and take control over our sense organs. आत्म शक्ति के बल पर ही हम कर्म इंद्रियों पर विजय प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. And that's how we become prosperous and successful in life. This is why God Ganesha is called Riddhi Vinayak and Siddhi Vinayak. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel, Park of Mums.